Wireless microphone
Sabihin
sound
naman ng
check.
Pinas. Anyway, let's try this Boya Ultra Compact 2.4 gigahertz wireless microphone system. So I have it here. This one. Yeah, as you can see. And ito ata yung kinoconnect um, sa phone. So this is the voice, or this is my voice na wala nitong microphone. Let's now plug this one since ang nakalagay dito, it's just plug and play. One moment. Hi, so na-plug and
This
play
is the
na natin
quality
siya.
of the
Ito
audio
yung
with the wireless microphone.
isa lang naman ang gagamitin natin. Yan. Press lang. Then ito na yung noise reduction niya. Hello, hello. Tingnan mo kapag may noise reduction, mas maganda. Alright. 1, 2, 3, mic test. 3, 2, 1, mic test. Alright.